Hello guys! Welcome sa ating z-knowledgeTV. Sa AutoCAD video series na ito, I will introduce you the CAD software. Ang tutorial na ito ay para sa mga complete beginner in AutoCAD who has absolutely no knowledge to this software. So, dito sa AutoCAD video series, mag-i-start tayo sa basics. Pag-aaralan natin ang AutoCAD user interface, understanding the units, making basic drawings, we'll use object snaps to make precise drawings, working with layers and blocks, working with dimensions, and last, we'll print our drawing. So, lahat ng ito ay pag-aaralan natin dito sa ating tutorial. Pero, before tayo mag-start, don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos. So, let's get started. Okay, so sa ating previous videos, natalakay na natin ang trim and extend commands, offset command, join command, and break command. So we could easily edit or change our existing drawing to create more complex objects from simple ones. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa napapanood o gusto nyo ulit balikan yung mga naunang videos natin, pwede nyo i-click ang link sa description box ng video nito. Okay, so sa video na ito, we will discuss naman how to fillet objects or create radius geometry connecting two objects using the fillet command. So, fillet and rounds are common in mechanical drawings, but you can use the fillet feature across all design disciplines to create radius geometry connecting two objects. So, after completing this lesson, you will be able to identify options of the fillet command and use the command to create radius geometry between two objects as shown in this figure. So, let's start in our fifth lesson in altering objects on how we can use the fillet command. So, you can use the fillet command to connect two objects quickly with a smoothly fitted arc of a specified radius. You usually use it to represent a rounded edge on a corner. An inside corner is called a fillet and an outside corner is called a round. So you can fillet lines, arcs, circles, ellipses, polylines, X-lines, S-splines, and rays. So you can also create a sharp corner with the fillet command by specifying a radius value of 0. So in these figures, it shows that the first figure is the original objects. The second figure shows that the fillet radius of non-zero. And on the third image is by using fillet command with a radius of 0. So meaning, yung sa ating second figure, so gumamit tayo dito ng non-zero value para sa fillet. Kaya siya nagkaroon ng pa-curve na corner. And then yung sa third image natin, so 0 yung ginamit natin na value. So therefore, parang wala lang din nangyari. Okay, so still na sharp corner pa rin yung na-create. Okay, so the following options are available for the fillet command. So the first option is undo. So ibig sabihin, reverses the previous action of the fillet command. So for the next option, polyline, fillets all vertices of a polyline using the current radius value. For the third option, sets the radius for the fillet arc. For the fourth option, trim or no trim. So ibig sabihin, when trim mode is selected, the lines are trimmed to be tangent with the fillet. If trim mode is set to no trim, the fillet radius is drawn but the lines are not trimmed. And the last option is the multiple. So ibig sabihin, when the multiple option is selected, you can create multiple fillets without restarting the command. Okay? So let's proceed first on how we can use a fillet command. So the following steps give an overview of how to apply a radius corner with the fillet command. So first, we can start the fillet command by selecting the fillet command in the ribbon or by typing its name with the word fillet. Next, on the command line, verify the current fillet settings. If required, set the options appropriately. Third, select the first object to fillet. And last, select the second object to fillet. Then the fillet is created. So, but take note, if you choose the polyline option, the last step is not required, since all vertices of the polyline are filleted at once. Okay? And also, regardless of the current fillet radius settings, if you shift plus select the two objects, a zero radius fillet is applied. Okay? So, let's try sa ating AutoCAD. So, create mo tayo ng ating object. So, by using line. Okay? So, first, ang gagamitin natin is yung ating fillet. So, type lang natin fillet, then press enter. And then, sabi dyan, select first object. Okay? So, next, sabi dito sa ating command line, select second object or shift select to apply corner or radius. So, therefore, since na isa lang naman yung option, so type natin R. Okay, then press enter. And then, specify natin yung radius. So, let's say ang radius is 1. Press enter. Okay, then saka natin i-select ang ating second object. So, yan. So, na-create na yung ating fillet na object. Okay? So, yung fillet object natin is yung nasa loob ng ating corner. And then yung outside corner is yung tinatawag na curve. Okay? Kaya kung kukunin natin yung pagkaka-curve niya o yung radius niya, so pwede naman. So, click natin yung radius dito. So, then select natin yung arc or yung ating circle. Yan. So, ang tinuturunan ng ating na-measure is 1. So, meaning, ayun kasi yung nilagay natin na value ng radius, 1. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, so, nag-as is pa rin yung part ng fillet. Okay? So, pwede naman natin siyang alisin. Okay? So, create muna tayo ulit ng ating object. So, by using now the polyline. Okay? Then, type natin fillet. Press enter. Okay? So, next is by using trim. So, kasi aalisin natin yung part na to. Okay? So, click natin ng trim. And then, trim. Kasi pag trim natin, so, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, ibig sabihin kasi niyan, hindi mo tinanggal daw itong part na to. Kaya nga no trim. Pero kapag trim, ibig sabihin, tatanggalin mo itong part na to. So, maiwan sa object mo is itong pakurba. Okay, so try natin. So, click natin ng trim. Okay, then select first object. And then, type natin R. Then, press enter. Then, yung ating radius na 1. Press enter. Then, yung ating second line. Okay, so ito na. So, same lang din yan na may radius na 1. Okay? So, pinagkaiba lang na wala na yung part na to. Okay? So, next, create naman tayo ng isang box. So, let's say 5 by 5. Okay, so type natin fillet, press enter. Then, sa ngayon, ang gagamitin naman natin is yung multiple na option. So, click natin yan. Ibig sabihin yan, pwede natin gamitin ng command na fillet sa maraming beses without restarting yung command natin. Okay? So select natin ang ating first line. Then, type natin R. Press enter. So, let's say ang radius natin ngayon is 0.5. Press enter. Then, select natin yung ating second line. Okay? So, tingnan nyo yung nangyari. So, hindi pa rin siya nare-restart yung ating command. So, active pa rin siya. Okay? So, next, select natin again another first line. Then, type natin yung R. Then, sa ngayon, gamit natin is 0.75 na radius. Enter. Then, select natin yung second line. Okay, so active pa rin yung command. So, select natin first line. And then, type natin R. Press enter. Then, type natin is 1. Press enter. Then, second line. Okay, so active pa rin. So, click natin ang ating first line. Then, click natin R. Type natin R. Press enter. Then, lagyan natin is 1.5. Then, press enter. Then, select natin yung second line. So, ito na. So, meron tayong different radius or different fillet radius na objects. Okay, sa bawat corners ng ating square kanina. Then, para mawala na siya, okay, ma-deactivate na yung command natin. So, press enter lang lang sa atin ulit. Okay, so, ngayon, sukatin natin yung bawat radius. So, ito is may radius na 0.5. Next, ito naman is may radius na 0.75. Next, ito is may radius na 1. And last, so ito is may radius na 1.5. Okay, so as a summary, here are the guidelines for using the fillet command. So first, depending on the locations you specify, more than one possible fillet can exist between the selected objects. Always select the part of the objects that you want to keep. So next, you can fillet parallel lines, X lines, and rays. The current fillet radius is ignored and an arc is created that is tangent to both parallel objects and located in the plane common to both objects. Next, you can also fillet a polygon or an entire polyline or remove fillets from an entire polyline. And last, if you set a non-zero fillet radius, the fillet arcs are inserted at the vertex of each polyline segment that is long enough to accommodate the fillet radius. Okay, so ito naman yung mga key point for using fillet command. So first, the fillet radius is the radius of the arc that connects the objects. Next, if both objects being filtered are on the same layer, so the fillet arc is created on that layer. Otherwise, the fillet arc is created on the current layer. Next, entering a radius value of 0 creates a sharp corner, meaning parang walang nangyari sa ating object. Next, holding down the shift key while selecting the object to fillet will override the current radius value and create a radius of 0. Next, an object that is filleted to a polyline becomes part of that polyline. A polyline cannot be filleted to an arc. Explode the polyline, then fillet the objects and join them again using the polyedit command. Okay, so ito yung mga key points sa ating fillet command. Okay? So, that's all. So, sa ating next video, we will discuss on how to use the chamfer command to create chamfer features on objects in the drawing. At para sa iba pang videos na gusto nyo pang maunawaan o malaman about sa AutoCAD, so huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang bell para maging updated kayo sa ating mga next videos. So, maraming salamat!